Hello everyone. This video is about fixing the issue. While downloading the Escape from Tarkov game, you got an error. User action required, unable to download the file. So, without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, you need to open up your web browser and use a VPN. And for a VPN, you can use Proton VPN as it is totally free to use. Download it, install it, and then connect it. Click on Windows plus R, choose Option. Type here %local app data %, and then hit the Enter key. Now right over here, first of all, click on the option App Data folder. Now you will find 3 folders over here: Local, Local Low, and Roaming. You need to open each folder one by one and press the B key to find a folder with the name Battle State Games. Once you find this folder, right-click and choose option Delete. Same way, you should delete the folder inside Local Law as well as Roaming folder. Once deleted, go ahead and try to re-download the game. Also fail to work out in next step, click on Start menu, type CMD, and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now, in Administrator, you need to type in a command netsh int tcp set global auto-tuning level is equal to disabled. Once you've done so, hit the Enter key. Now, go ahead and try to download the file again, and this time the issue will be completely fixed. Now, make sure to revert these changes right over here once you download the game. To revert the changes, copy the command as it is over here, paste right in the CMD, and instead of disabled, type in normal and then hit the Enter. So that's all you have to do. This is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.